Hello, this is a very quick guide as to how to import loadout definitions that somebody else has made on Hotutils. We're going to go to mods and then select loadouts. We're going to create a new loadout. For this, I'm just going to call this a YouTube test loadout. We don't need a category or description. These settings here don't particularly matter. And we're going to create a new loadout. Once that's finished loading, we should have it come up in our list of loadouts. We're going to edit the new loadout. All of our characters will come up. We are going to select template here at the top. We are going to import loadout definitions. Mine will show up at the top here because I've made them. What you can do is you can search by any category you wish. Okay, for this example, we're going to be selecting the Part 1 and Part 2 SLKR requirements that I've made based on Gridden's video. Go check that out if you want a good guide how to do the first couple of phases of the SLKR event. We click load. Red means that we have not matched the requirements that we've set out. The yellow means that we haven't haven't matched the desired criteria that have been set out. Once we have this here, we click automate. We want to make sure that this first one is selected. You can select these options if you like. It tends not to matter. Hotutils works best when we don't restrict it too much. This last one here is an optional extra. For 5 units, it's not going to take a particularly long time to select this, but bear in mind with much larger automations, it can take a very long time if you have this selected. We'll hit OK. It will change our mods for us, looking to match those requirements. And it doesn't seem to have had a problem there. We've now got green, which tells us that our stat targets have been matched. Very good. So physical damage 8,000. If we look, our physical damage is now beyond 8,000. Once that's happened, once we've changed our mods or changed our settings, this will turn blue, but we can just select File. Our loadout name is still the same. We can enter a category if we wish. We can add a description if we wish. Okay, we want to keep this not selected so that it doesn't take too much time to remod. Yep, that's fine. It's already selected our 5 characters for us. We definitely want to keep this selected. We don't particularly need this, but we do, if we want to activate this now, we can push it to the game. We save, creates the loadouts for us, and then as part of this process, it will load the mods in game. Perfect. I strongly recommend having a loadout already created before you do this for your current mods, so that what we can do now, if we wanted to change this back straight away, we could go back into loadouts, go to our current loadout, and then just load it out just to revert our settings. Once that's finished loading, we'll be able to load the game, have our normal mods on there, but be ready to, at the drop of a hat, load our mods to give us a slightly better advantage to do the first couple of phases of the SLKR event. Thanks for watching. Hope this has been helpful. Drop a comment if you have any questions.